he wants to say hi to. We've arrived to our final destination. Still no signal. No signal and there's no one here. But there are a lot of cute cows. Oh, and a little goat. And a ginger cat. Oh, it's hot outside. So hot. The baby's here. Made some friends here. They're so cute. There's so many prickly things that stick to your foot. And then we're going to watch a cowboy film. And then see some stars. And we're seeing the sunset now.
Turn the key and cooler on. This a pause for relief. Free pass, you don't even have to ask.
I was expecting the farmer to be a bit more friendly. But I think he's just having one of those days where you don't want to see or talk to anyone. So he just pointed to where we're sleeping and that's it. Just chilling with the goats.
Today,
Good night.
I've got better things to do. Okay, to leave a little bit undone.
We're hiking again in Pinnacle Park. And it was the worst idea ever to come here. To come here at 11 a.m. I feel like I'm gonna pass out, bro.
Every empty spreadsheet line, loosen up on the grind.
We made it to the viewpoint. It's quiet. And I think we're just gonna go back down, explore some caves. Can you believe people used to have to hunt every day and find food? And now all we have to do is walk into a shop. You can find everything from all over the world. And this is the view. The air is so warm. It's like a sauna.
Be the cat in the sun. Be the cat.
And welcome back to our show. Right now, we forgot the most essential product, which was water. We had the option of driving back 1 hour and then driving back another 2 hours to get water, or going through a dust road, e.g. like, whoa, that's insane. You think it's a good idea? I don't think it's a good idea. Not a good idea. The adventure continues. Dum dum da da dum dum da da dum dum da da dum. In the middle of nowhere.
Stretch out. Lean back. Be the cat.
There and over to the milk tanks. Right here. This silver, or the milk into the cream and then non-fat. And this is our goat milk, which just came off the press. And now we're going to move it into the cooler. Morning, Mr. Chicken. Lots of chickens. And the rooster. Singing the morning song. Good morning. Good morning, my friends. Good morning. Hey, goats. Good morning. Hello. I actually found out that bees are useless. They don't use them anymore. But I don't remember what they're called. Was it wobbles? What was it called? It's now 8 a.m. and I've been up since 5 this morning. I wanted to say bye to the farmers. It's a couple who've they took over this farm, Clara Valley. Morning. He's been up since 5 a.m. this morning too. They're a really sweet couple and they took over this farm. This farm's 100 years old now. They produce milk. He wants to say hi too. Okay, what I wanted to say and show was, I wanted to show these fresh, beautiful eggs that were laid by the chickens. I think it was today or yesterday. And I am a lover of eggs, so I'm super excited to try these. I think the best thing in life is just fresh products, fresh milk, fresh eggs, fresh air, freshness. And it's honestly the small things in life that are the most magical ones at the end of the day. Guys, what is up with you? Chickens! Chickens! The plan for today is to pack our things and then get in the car, hop in the car and go off to Big Sur and maybe visit Monterey. Monterey is a small city. I love this farm. I don't want to leave. Farm life's pretty cool, but it's a lot of hard work. The hours that people put into farm work, it's more than a full-time job, guys. The more that you read, the more things you'll know, the more things you'll learn, the more places you'll go. This is a fire truck. No, but I didn't know fire truck. He's laughing at me, but at the same time, I've never been this close to a fire truck. I've had no need before in my life to be this close to a big fire truck.